Hey guys, just as a little quick update, I found these fruits right here, and I wanted to share this information with you guys. Um, One of the most common wild edibles is yellow wood sorrel, and pretty much grows in everyone's yard. And I'll show you what it looks like real quick. Okay. So this right here is the woods. This right here is the wood sorrel plant. You can see um, it has heart-shaped leaves, um, and it comes in leaves of three, and also it has, well, kind of an undefined um, leaf arrangement. I would have said it was alternating, but as you can tell, it'll just grow on whatever the leaves will just grow on whatever side they want, pretty much. Um, but one of the things that's indicative of this is, can't see it right now, but got a bigger piece for you guys. Take a look at. It'll have these flower buds here, and these will produce little yellow flowers on it as well. Hence the name yellow wood sorrel. Um, as far as I know, the whole plant is edible. Um, I haven't tried the root, so I'm not sure about the root. But the leaves, or the flowers, flowers of yellow wood sorrel, or not flowers, leaves, sorry. It's not bad. It's sweet. It's got a slight sour note, almost like undertones of lemon. Um, but that's not the part. A lot of people already know that you can eat that. But that's not the part I'm talking about, of the plant I'm talking about. This right here, this is the part of the plant I'm talking about. This is the fruit of the wood sorrel. Now, to be honest, I didn't even know there was fruit of the wood sorrel. But I have tasted it and I have tried it for myself. And well, almost kind of tastes like a cross between an unripened apple and a plum. And now, these are high in vitamin C as well. In fact, the fruit and the flowers and the leaves. And if you're someone like me who likes sour things and lemony kind of things, then this might be an edible for you, to be honest. Also, got my sprig of lavender. It just smells so good. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that plant. So you guys, if you're out and about and find it, can try it for yourself. Anyways, guys, I hope everyone's doing well. Love y'all. Peace.